The bullocks are plowing the farm, and this is a traditional approach in India how the farmer plows the field. There is a plow, and the plow is pulled by two bullocks. Usually they are white in color. If you see, the bullock's mouth is closed with the help of rope. Now he's going to turn.
It's not the sword.
This is what is a plow. It's basically a iron instrument which digs around the soil.
Some cows are dead.
Now he's going to turn around once again to free up the soil. You see, he's doing that in the same place again.
But I'm on camera.